Good morning. Yes. Yeah. Here are the trade outlooks for the possible next moves. Some trades I try to put up here. Go to my put it on my trading group. Yeah, this is good. Possible moves I saw in gold with AMD liquidity and manipulation patterns. So gold may likely push. This is equal highs, may likely push higher to take out this equal highs liquidity and then start. And today's Wednesday being midweek AMD reversal pattern set up. So I'm seeing gold after probably taking off this equal highs, then push down, possibly push down to take up this trend line liquidities. But I'm seeing gold to fall between now and tomorrow. Yeah, today or tomorrow. Yeah, might not, but today might be a kind of slow. If it does not move so much today, we expect it to move so much tomorrow by tomorrow, Thursday. Yeah. So, but this is an engulfing here. You can see it. Engulfing has been retested here. Yeah. So that is for good on 15-minute chart. Then let's go to the daily chart of gold. Let's see what happens on daily chart. Yeah, this on daily chart. So it has taken out the previous displays. This has been taken out or hit or thereabouts. Yeah. It has been taken out, right? So we see gold try to come back down. Yeah, that's why you're seeing those this in there. So that's the engulfing pattern in the lower time frame that I showed you before. It's possibly from here, but gold could be volatile. So you might see a bit of, I told you that 15-minute equal highs, because every structure, every time frame has structure, which the liquidity will be taken out, will have to be grabbed. So you might decide to take out that 15-minute equal highs. So you might expect to see probably there could be a push up here. Yeah. Then it kind of withdraw back down, then starts to come down. Well, we are going to see a big crash after it, because gold has been overpriced. It has been overpriced. That means it's going to 2077, 2075, 2075. Yeah, so this is another graph here. So we are expecting gold from here to come down to this level. Yeah, it might not be this week, it could be next week or thereabout, but there will be a crash. Yeah, there will be a crash. So probably there will be a push up here. So that's for gold. That's for gold. Then we go to EURUSD. What's happening on EURUSD? Let's go to the forum and see my own take on EURUSD. EURUSD 4 hours. This is what I foresee in EURUSD and what I predicted. So the this thing has been tested. The imbalance here has been tested. For the fair value gap area has been tested. So we are seeing gold to, Euro USD to move and take up this trend line liquidity. After taking up this trend line liquidity, take up this low, the structural low, then there could be a push up or a retest of it, then coming down. And because today is, of course, so this is a previous week low. So it's a strong low. So we are seeing it after touching this imbalance. So we expect it to come down and take out this low. Then pull back, come down to it. So that is in 4 hours. Then I did the 1 hour outlook is here. You can see the imbalance has been retested in 1 hour. A lot of liquidity grab there in 1 hour. Then it's a trend line liquidity. It could be a kind of push. See to retest this zone. Yeah. But the major move is going to be down. Yeah. To take out this liquidity and fill this liquidity gap. Yeah, but there is a big space here. Yeah, that's needed to be filled down. Yeah, that's for 1 hour. Then talk about the 4 hours move. And this is the 15-minute setup. So the equal has been taking a lot of this has been grabbed. So that's why you see good. Euro USD try to come down here because of this grab of the liquidity swept of this inducements. So we see seeing a stronger trend line liquidity with liquidity void going to be filled down. So we expect a push to this area. Then take note of this demand zone here. Yeah, on 15 minutes. Take note of this. If it bounces, it may get to this place, then later on come down. So expect gold, Euro USD possibly fall because it's in a positive correlation with gold. Yeah, and because here we have a major equal height being grabbed out. Yeah, so the whole this thing has been taken out. The whole liquidity has been taken out here. So we are left with this. Yeah, so probably once this liquidity void has been filled, so there will be a move push upward to fill up this space here. So that is for Euro USD. Then we have the one for pounds USD. This might take for pounds USD. The equal loss here has been taken. The liquidity void, the space has been filled up. Then probably there could be a kind of push to this demand zone, then a bounce upward thereabout, then try to break through it. Yeah, let's see what happens on a lower time frame of it. I think I give it a lower time frame. Okay. So there could be a kind of this in there on a lower time frame. Let's see what happens lower time frame of 15 minutes or 1 hour. Yeah, so I gave this to my students on Monday that the move will be down. Yeah, it was here. It was here on Friday. So they were asking me what is my take, and I told them since this is pursuing this place to be broken below, so there is going to be a move down. So this is almost about how many this in there. Got how many pips there has been. From that, that's almost about 162 pips. That's good for grab. So we expect to see as this place with this liquidity has been taken out, we expect to see the pounds USD try to bounce back into this hidden this stuff here, or this imbalance. There's created an imbalance here. Try to bounce up to this place. Then a kind of a kind of move here. Yeah, there could be a kind of move down to this demand zone. Yeah, from there, after touching the imbalance, probably there will be, possibly there will be a move down. Yeah, like this, that's 15 on 15, that's daily. That's daily chart on daily chart. So on 15 minutes, we expect to see a kind of move upward towards that imbalance. Yeah, towards the imbalance. Yeah, so we expect to see a move which has been it's already moving now. Yeah, then it kind of selling down. Yeah, not touching the balance for this place, taking out this liquidity, the trend line liquidity here. Yeah, it's going to be grabbed. So it's going to be grabbed upward and later on. So that is the trade outlook for the week. The trade I have for the week. And then I did AUD USD stuff. So AUD USD will possibly track down a huge fall to take out this trend line liquidity that fill the space left behind. So fill it downward. So and it's already moving. It's already moving. It's already moving. It's already moving. Gold is moving. That's AUD USD. So it's already moving. See the move on 15 minutes. It's already moving. Yeah. So the movement started right from here. Yeah. After confirming the change of character there from bullish to this. So the movement started. Yeah. You can see this in here. You can see this in here being taken out on liquidity grab here. Liquidity grab taken out. Liquidity grab taken out. Liquidity taken out. Then last, this was on Friday. The Friday highs has been, we have an overpriced level of AUD USD. So that's why you see that move there. So this has created this created a kind of this in there on 15 minutes. A kind of source pattern or supply. So it has been retested. So we expect to see what. So there's another liquidity grab there. The liquidity grab, then BMS, which will to fulfill our formula, AMD pattern formula, which is SH plus BMS plus RTO. So that's confirmation tree we are looking for. Yeah. So we expect to see move down to make this BMS. Then a kind of retest will have given us a possible, to this tested. Yeah, not giving us was about 3, risk reward ratio of 3, possibly around this place. So we are having our first target here. First take profit target will have been here. So that's a missed trade. I'm showing you what was case you see it next time. Missed trade, yeah. So that'll be almost about times 4. Risk reward ratio is times 4. We have almost about 20 pips as our stop loss. 20 pips as our stop loss. And, so we got it retested there. So this is an experiment. It doesn't necessarily hit our DC, but you can do a kind of this on 1 minute chart. On 1 minute chart, let's see what happened. On 1 minute, you really refine it on 1 minute chart. You got your DC hit on 1 minute chart. Let's see 1 minute. So 1 minute chart. This will also be on advanced. Just try and register for advanced DC. So this is on 1 minute. This is it's refinement, how to refine your DC. I'm teaching you now. Here we have our higher time frame, POI, pot of interest. Here, inside that pot of interest, or higher time frame pot of interest, we have this 1 minute equity graph here. Then we are looking for this place to be broken below to give us this formula, right? So you must see the same pattern in so that has created a kind of imbalance here. We have an imbalance here. Imbalance here. It's imbalance, and there's this thing here that has been formed here. It's another BMS here. It's low. I'm taking this is a BMS, right? But it does not mean that it has to immediately come up high. So we expect price to push to that place. It does not push, just leave the trade and wait for the next potential move. You can see that. So this thing has been here. You can see that it's been retested. Yeah. So it never got to your DC, but it missed by almost about how many pips there? It's by almost about stuff there. Yeah. But if you have the knowledge of your flip editing, you can use this knowledge of your flip. Yeah. So you still tend to retest all this broken resistance or broken supply. Yeah, so to retest it, you can use your whatever. So you can use different methods, different entry method. Use your flipping. That's a resistance flip zone. Yeah, call it resistance flip zone, which is a resistance tones. This thing. So you can use this. So it's broken, then this place is broken too. Here, you can also use your stuff here too. You can also use here. Yeah, this place. Yeah. So those are the areas you got to look at, so that you won't miss. So that you won't miss that. So you can see it. So this is a base, right? This is a base. Supply, if you are in our advanced class, or you have been following me in my group, you'll have heard of this continuation pattern of supply and demand method. Yeah. So this rally base, rally demand. So it's a continuation pattern of demand. So this is it. So we are looking for price. So whenever you got that, and you have to make sure that one of the rules is that there must be a major resistance there, a structural high. So we have this. So price come down and test here, test it, and then bounce. If there's no bounce and there was a breakthrough, they break through it, then there will be a retest of it. There will be a retest of it, and you take your retest of it. There will be a retest of this already what's happening here. So that's the pattern. If there's no bounce here, that's a failed demand. So once it is failed, so it will be retested. Then you sell it to the retest, which is what happened here. That's what happens here. I see that. So it was failed. And if this place was broken below to come up again out, take your. So that's why you get that retest. See it, get that retest there. That's why you get that retest there. Yeah, that's why you get retest there. Take it out and see how I've entered that place. Just want to show you what, in case you get that later on, but pattern repeats itself here. Reduce the structure, right? So we have this is our this here. Yeah, so it was filled through. It was filled. Then we have it be retested. It was retested somehow, but this is not potential. We'll retest before down. So this is pushed towards that place. So that will be your. Make sure you want to trade that. You want to use that as your entry pattern. To use as your entry pattern. So it will be your. Yeah. So you set your stuff. So you see two pips there, 2 pips. Then you go to 50 minutes to see the stuff. You take profits. So you can target this as for stuff as like for that 5 times 5 ratio. You see that times 5. You can target this as times 9. Yeah. See it in this now. See it in 15-minute chart. See what happened 15 minutes. Yes, there was a retest in 15 minutes, right? You see it, retest of it. But if you miss that, that means you go to look for more this here. So retest here. Yeah. So if you miss that, that means you go to look for more this in here. More this in here. This is a source pattern. This is a breakout block. So this place is happening around this place. Breakout block. Look for this. Use this breakout block. Yeah. So you can use that, and you got your this in here. Let's see it. Test it. Use a breakout block. What breaking below? I mean, the one that caused this high to be broken up is what we call a breaker. So it was broken below, then a retest of it will give you another sell. So you just have to look closely. Just have to look closely. You can see our distance has been filled immediately. You just have to look closely. That is price action. So then I mean you have to look deep into, so you pay attention to every details. Pay attention to every details. You can imagine there have almost about 28 times 28 reward. Yeah. So you can imagine it taking out. So till now, you still have to look at what is. So that's how. So our next decision is that there will be a kind of it's still in the continuation. Just get into 1 hour. So it's looking to take up this not to take up this low. Yeah, to take up this low. So it's probably coming down to take up this low. Yeah, that's how we put this in here. To take up this low. Price action have been dynamic here because this place has been retested. This in there has been retested. The imbalance created here has been retested. I see that. Yeah, has been retested. Imbalance. So yeah, it's probably coming down again to break through here and move back. And this gap must be filled. This place left here must be filled. It might not be as urgent as ought to be. It's price dynamic. It will come down to this place, to this level. So that's our projection for AUD. God bless you. Just hit me. You can hit me on your on the Telegram for more in-depth for advanced this stuff. So my Telegram handler is hit me up my Telegram. This is my yeah, or you can WhatsApp. If you're on WhatsApp, you can just get this. So to enroll for the private one-on-one class, you send me an email. Send me an email at VIP Henry 76 at gmail.com. So this might want to just you can hit me up on that. So God bless. Let's see what happens. So God bless you. Have a nice day. Yeah. See you on top of your trading.